So how to use minoxidil serums or hair solutions when you're under treatment and your dermatologist has prescribed it for you. How to use them. So firstly, make a center parting and spray once in the middle of the parting. Don't spray it very close to your forehead because you don't want it to drip on your forehead. Spray it somewhere in the middle of the hair partition, then spread it. Then make another partition next to it. Spray it again in the center of your parting and spread it with your fingertips. Make another one next to it, in the center, spray again, spread it with your fingertips. Similarly, do it on the other side. After you've done the whole head, you need to massage it gently with your fingertips. Ideally needs to be done twice in a day. If you washed your hair on that day, let it dry and then apply your solution. And don't forget to use it at night time before sleeping. Keep a gap of 1 hour after you apply the solution and going to bed. You don't want the solution to be wasted on the pillow covers. So do it this way and I'm sure you'll start seeing your results. Take care.